see in your textbook. So you won't see anything different in your textbook or any other exponent book, but we have to expand them because x negative a is one thing, but then you guys start freaking out if you have 1 over, say, y to the negative a. You're like, oh, I don't know what to do. And you start like putting down negative signs when you shouldn't. How do you fix the negative exponent when it's already in the fraction? Cameron?
You just flip it upside down.
Yeah. But the part that we don't write is this over 1 part. Okay, because it's not a simple form. So we just write it over y to the positive a now. Okay, y to the positive a. Just like this one, we have to expand this one out because things like this happen. We say we have x to the, just x, and y b, all to the exponent c. So you guys start freaking out and think, oh, it's just x, y, b, c. You can just multiply by the first one. Remember, we have a hidden what? What's on the x? 1. So it's 1 times c, y, b times c. So that happens. And there's one more scenario with this one where you guys start doing things wrong. Let's say you have xa all over y to the exponent b. Again, you often think the exponent only applies to the top of the fraction. How wrong? Okay, because it's a times b, and on the y, it's a 1 times b. So the exponent belongs to the top and the bottom. Yes, Erica?
What do you do with
No, if you had actually, like, if we had letters, yeah, you have to leave it. We're going to have exponents. You're going to see examples like that in a second. So you'll have numbers rather, and you actually will multiply them. Okay, so you will actually multiply those numbers out. Okay, so any questions before we go on? Let's practice some examples now. So please write down the first 4 examples. Leave yourself like 2 lines of work. Okay, make a bit of a chart. 2 lines of work. The first 2 are pretty easy. The third one, the fourth one, a little bit harder. Okay, number 1 and 2, simple, simple, simple. So for your work, I'm kind of expecting to see 3 plus 4, but you guys are honors. Okay, so I should see an x7 and not an x12. Okay, x7 is the answer. For the next one, I'm expecting to see 9 minus 1, which equals y8. Okay. So adding, subtracting, that's the basic rule. And you've done this before already with numbers. Okay, and simplified it to a single power. Well, number 3. Hannah? 8 exponent 6. Yeah, you're right. That's good, that's good. Okay, what about the next one? And you don't have to tell me your work, because I'm not just going to accept you just magically make it happen. I know exactly what I'm going to ask already. Gagan. Number 4. What's the work? Good job. Well done. Okay. So we'll say it's x squared over 4 squared. Now you can simplify it a bit more. Next a little bit then. Brittany? Yeah, okay. So really show that. I encourage you to show that because it makes us double check our rules. So don't go right to evaluating their numbers. Okay, now usually if I say simplify, I could mean both. There you go. Okay, I'll give you a second. Now we're going to get into some harder questions. So it's a little bit more than the basics. Okay, I'll give you some time to write them down. Please leave a little bit of room for 7 and 8. Oh, guess what? You guys are supposed to have a worksheet. Okay, keep writing these down. Let's go. Okay, number 5. Tell me what to do for work. Jordan. Speechless? What do we do on the A?
A 2 times 2.
Good. On the B?
B 4 times 2.
Final answer?
A. I lost one. Okay. A is 1 at 4 and B is 1 at 8.
Hands up if you got that. Awesome. Next one. Tell me what's the work. Elsie, on the A.
A, 3 minus
Good. B. Good. What does that equal? Una? Well, first of all, what's the exponent on the B? No, 2 minus 4? -2, and then I think maybe you fix that? Because it, what is it? It would be squared final answer. You're not allowed to have a negative exponent as a final answer. Okay? Don't write 1 exponents. So if you put it there, I won't take a mark off, but grade 10, yes I will. Okay? So you don't have to write 1 exponents. Okay? Not necessarily right, it's just not what we do. Because it's like saying things twice, don't need to write it twice, because it's there, it's there, it's there. You wouldn't say it twice, you just show me that it's there, it's there. Got it? Okay. Oh, come on, baby, let's go finish this one off. Okay, next one. Oh, I got upload, I'm done, shoot. Okay, X is, what's the work? -2 minus -3. Ooh la la, tricky. Next one. Y, -5 minus -7. Sorry, I would have laughed too, but I gotta go quick. And so, knowing how smart you guys are, you would have went +3, and you would have went +7, and then you went x1, which we don't have to write, y2. And so I would just go back and erase that 1. How many people got that? Hands up. Oh, good, good. Okay, so that's pretty top end. We're getting close to the top end there. Now this, treat that as a fraction and reduce it. So what's 36 over 12 reduced? It's just simply 3. 3 over 1 or 3. So then on our m's, it's 3 minus 0. N's 4 minus 2. We get 3m3 n2. Done. Now, sometimes you're going to get fractions as your answer. We've seen that already. That's okay. All right.